everybody, welcome again to 0.11 Alpha Mojang Minecraft. Okay, so let's start. I might be wondering why I have the M. I don't know why. That's what I found out. In this game, you can fly. Okay, no, you can't. I wish I could. Can't fly. This is what happened to your friend. He was bacon. So are you. Come back here. I'm super sorry. It's just can't take it. The meat's so good when it's cooked. Thank you. Oh yes, I will be doing some Lucky Blocks. Lucky Block. Some Lucky Blocks so we can get some graphic up in here. This village is going to be burned out. No, I shall not eat it. Not yet. Oh, I can sprint. I can get my do the fastest way around. Okay. Try to get serious. Collect some wood. Whoops. These are just stuff to tell me like how to make it. Yeah, how to make it. Because I don't know how to make stuff in this game, so this will tell me how to make it. And I can make my house look like a kitchen. To teach me how to make stuff. I don't remember Minecraft, but I can still do. No, I will not. Yellow flower. He's gone. Okay. Now first I need to know where I'm gonna put my stuff. Right next to the village, oh, it's getting really dark. And this is on high difficulty, right? Yeah, this is on difficulty high. Please. Hey dude, can I just stay over at your house? Thanks dude. Yeah, you can just, you guys can just get out. Yeah, thank you. I don't even have a bed. Sapling. Got everything I need. Oh yeah, in this mine I cannot trade with the villagers. Right. I call this my house. It's very dark. Could use some torches. But no. It tells you how to make some ender or whatever, end stone. That's cool. That's really cool. And when I think you can't make some of this stuff. Well, they just out there. Yeah, there's creepers and spiders and all that stuff. As you can see, this is a recordable movie, whatever it's called. Well, that is all for this time. If you enjoyed this episode, leave a like and leave a comment. And we will see you next time.